Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIOC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times this past week, so that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But yet another very impressive movement today. So much so that what I'm going to do first off is just delete these lines out of here. Sure, these levels still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update I'm going to do here is just a little adjustment here. And the question becomes, okay, well, what direction does this adjustment need to be made? So what I'm going to do now that we have more data is adjust this level of resistance up to where the party stopped today, right at 53 cents. So key dynamic there being, yeah, that level needed to be adjusted higher. And that's what you want to see. Assuming you're bullish, assuming you're long, whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher and higher, that is a great sign of strength. And that's what, needed to be done here, given that the price, just gave us more data. And apparently now those sellers are sitting up around 53, but regardless, that's higher than where the sellers were sitting yesterday, right? And that's what you want to see. And that's how uptrends are constructed. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, first key level to watch is what I would call the ideal level. I'm going to say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? And that would be if the price could stay above 47. With that being said, it's not like if the price falls below 47, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above 47, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. And then taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by next week, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to just gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone must visualize that. That is what is being represented. But all in all, great end of the week, and we'll see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.